Headwaters seat covers. This is a 2012 to 2022 Toyota Tacoma with the Access Cab rear with the jump seats. You can see that it'll only be the bottom and the headrest, as there's really nowhere for us to tuck it in to do the back and really nowhere to put it, so we just don't do the backs. So you undo the Velcro, and the part with the hangy bits goes in the front. So the lever on the side to pull the headrest down. Then you can just put it on like a sleeve. And then to kind of make sure it's centered, you can kind of line it up with the slits here and there. Then you feed these little hands back, you tighten them, pull them tight and push them under, and then pull it up. And you just kind of do this with all of the little hands. And that's the headrest. And then we go onto the bottom. The driver bottom will have a logo in the corner. That logo is going to go on the bottom of the seat. So this one doesn't have the logo, so you know it's the passenger. So little Velcro bits are going to go on top. There's a little lever on the side to flip it up. It does have all this Velcro on the bottom, so this is going to stick to it the entire time, making it kind of hard, but it'll go on really similarly to the headrest, just like a sleeve. So now that it's on, we can push it up, make sure this little flap is up and off the Velcro. And then there'll be like 4 little hands that you just pull through from the top. And you just hold that up and you tighten these to the Velcro on the seat. And then hold the top down and just tighten it all the way across.